Now we'll see how firewall catch fire. You go inside the room by unlocking the door. The guard at the entrance gate keeps a watch on who is coming in and who is going out. Same way the firewall keeps a tab on who is accessing your computer over the internet. The malicious hacker, viruses and other types of threats can easily enter your system via the internet. The firewall does not keep them away. It is not foolproof. A firewall is a hardware based or what's present in inside your Wi-Fi router, or it could be software based which could be present in your PC or operating system. Thousands of security threats are present in a firewall and there are many proof which is already available. Port 80 and port 443 is always open for hackers to gain access to your system. The hackers exploit the unpatched application. The vector of attack has become more complex, hence to protect both internet traffic and application software requires a multi-layered security solution.